Pigeon Forge Rod Run 2026 Spring Edition. Up here with Scotty DTV Dirty Dozen, getting ready to unveil one from Big Oak. So I'd run by the t-shirt trailer real quick and show you the official swag of the Pigeon Forge Rod Run. They got some nice stuff. I think I'm going to be trying to find me one of them hoodies a little later when I'm not working. They've stopped by. You can see where the other new dates coming up. April's or September's date. Of course, Cruising the Coast. One of the best events on the planet. You don't want to miss that one. Let's start making our way up to the front. We got Gene Winfield's T-Bird here. Come by and see that. A little bit of custom car history. And the building is obviously loaded with really nice stuff. A nice C10 pickup truck. Chevelle. Boy, I'll tell you what. People still love old Bo Duke. Look how long they're lined up out there. All the way out the door to see him. Generally, you know, Bo Duke. He's not here yet, but he'll be here soon. This side come in from the back so y'all could get a little preview of what's going on up here at the Rod Run Spring Edition, LeConte Center, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It goes on today, tomorrow, and Saturday till 6 o'clock on today and tomorrow till 5 o'clock on Saturday. We would love to have you. Plenty of free parking, and there's going to be nothing but cool and fun happening. Let's see if we can run old Will Posey down here at some point. Will Posey, how you doing?
What's up?
Coming to see you, baby.
That's right.
You got something cool coming?
Absolutely.
Tell me a little bit about it.
So this Chuck, this
Chuck it. How are you, brother?
Don't do it. Go ahead.
This is the guy. This is the guy that did the hard part. You
Okay.
know, he paid for all of it.
Right.
My wife did the hard part.
Right.
Oh, a '62 Impala that we finished up for Chuck. It's a cool car. It's got the right wheels and tires and stance and interior. It's a cool car.
Is it stock or custom?
Oh, it's custom. I
Yeah.
mean, how many stock cars have we built?
Well,
3
I know.
in 20 years,
But
so.
not everybody in TV land knows, so
Right,
yeah,
right,
I'm trying to tell them.
Yeah, it's a custom. It's a roadster shop chassis, LS motor, 4L60, went off wheels, completely went off interior. A lot of panels under hood that are went off. Just custom paint. It's just a really cool, clean, classy hot rod.
Are you all going to show it or drive it? What's going on there?
Both. Chuck's biggest dream. He wants to drive his car. He likes car shows. I know I'm speaking for you.
That's
here,
okay. No, Walt's going to keep it for most of summer up till ran that. They'll show up in Louisville, and then I'll take it back home. And my daughter wants to drive it out. Her and her husband, they're getting married in September, so they're going to use the car at the wedding to drive away in.
Oh, okay.
So that's why we get it back. And then anytime Will wants it, take it anywhere, or use it for marketing or sales, or just if he needs something to fill his space in the show, it's all his.
Right on.
I mean, I told him to do whatever he wanted with it, like it was his own car. I told Tracy Weaver.
Have you ever seen him drive his own car? Before you might want to check on that before you gave him that. Drive it like his own car.
That's why I've got. That's why he's got insurance. I've got insurance, no problem. You know what? My car is his car.
Right.
It's part of the family. He's done a lot of good things for me, and Tracy Weaver did a great job. He said, "What do you want?" I said, "Do it the way you and Will do the interior the way you want to do it, like it was yours." And I haven't seen anything. I haven't seen the car for over 2 years.
Awesome.
So I don't know what to expect, to be honest. I know I'm going to be very, very happy though.
Well, we won't make you wait much longer. Can I get a Go Vols before I leave?
Go Vols, baby!
Thank you. All right, Will, let's check it out. Excuse me. I love these Impalas. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, look at that green. Excuse me. What color is that, Will?
Green.
I understand that.
You'll ask him, won't you?
Excuse me, sir.
These are like top 62 hubcaps, right?
Right.
Oh my God! Look at that thing. It's supposed to have a 4-speed, 5-speed.
Well,
What happened to what?
I stole it. I put that in my car.
Oh man, that's exactly what I wanted. Clean, crisp, not over the top. Yeah, just
It's got a great sounding stereo in it. Riding down the road, air conditioned, all of it.
Maybe we can see under the hood when you get a chance.
How about the trunk first?
Okay.
Yeah.
I have the original 62 plate.
Okay, yeah. So you can imagine how I come up with that.
Oh, that's unbelievable. So, I like that. That's awesome.
Excuse me. Let me slide through here on you. I'm sorry.
So what?
So
Tell me about the fan.
you know the gas filler. The car was painted, and we had to come up with a way for you to put gas in. So
2026 Pigeon Forge Rod Run, Spring Edition, LeConte Center. Big Oak Garage, fresh unveil of a 62 Impala. Very cool car. Get you a shot up under the hood. Clean. Set up to drive. Not a lot of paneling and the custom stuff that you're normally accustomed to seeing here on Scotty D TV, but there's nobody that can say that this is a trailer queen and they ain't ever going to drive it, because this car was built to drive. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Will, awesome job, brother.
thank you, Scotty D.
Anybody you want to give a shout out to before we leave?
Man, Chuck. You know,
Yeah.
If it wasn't for Chuck, I wouldn't be here.
That's right.
And you know, he's been great customer, and made a friend out of him. And whether you wanted it to or not,
No, I'm happy. I'm just very happy to be your friend. Just be part of the family. That's great.
and,
Did it turn out as you had hoped?
Oh, I didn't recognize the car hardly at all. I mean, I brought it in with that body color, not those tires, not those wheels, not nothing. I mean, it was all blank on the inside of the trunk. But I mean, the engine bay looks a lot better than I thought. I mean, I don't recognize it. It's above what I ever dreamed to have. I feel right now I don't deserve the car. That's how I feel. It's so good.
Right on. Well, as long as you can write that check, you deserve it, brother.
That's right. Yeah.
Thanks so much. I appreciate you coming. Folks, there you go. 62 Impala, Big Oak Garage, 2026 Pigeon Forge Rod Run Spring Edition. We'll be here today, tomorrow, and Saturday. Please come see us. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya.